Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. I know it's been a moment, but I have a Lalo video for you guys. I'm not going to get too much on the meat part because I have tons of videos on how I prep oxtails. I'll just put that in the description box for you if you have not seen that video. So I'll just let you guys know why I have not been posting. My husband deployed 2022 and I'm in a new environment. Like, I'm pretty sure I mentioned that I had moved from Germany to Washington State, so it's just been a lot with not having much support here. So I kind of just put YouTube on the back burner. I wasn't really into it, and I did not really feel motivated like I used to, because a lot of the times I don't get a lot of engagement in the comments or anything like that, so it can be discouraging. But cooking is my passion, and it's something that I love to do, and it's something that I'm pursuing to evolve from. Like, not evolve from, but to evolve into something bigger than just YouTube. So if you're interested in that, just, stick around and be a part of the journey. But I am going to do my best to do more videos. I'm also gonna start looking into some of the recipes that I have not explored yet and start putting those out. And I probably won't do just Haitian cuisine, even though that's my background, but I am talented in other areas of cooking, so I'll probably just take a leap of faith and step out and do some new things on my channel when it comes to food and cooking and stuff like that. So I don't know if you're interested in that. Like I said, stick around. I'm always open to suggestions, but like I said, I never get any in the comment section, or barely any in the comment section. So I don't know, talk to me, guys. Like, that's why I don't come back. Because like I said, it's not much in the comments. But let's get to the video now. So this is Lalo, and I bought this. Well, I didn't buy it. My mom got it for me from the Haitian market. That's the only place I think you'll find it, is an actual Haitian Caribbean market. So if you're in Florida, I'm pretty sure New York and Boston, you should be able to find this. If you're not any in those areas, I don't know where you can find them. And this is how I make it. I just want to make that clear. My mama taught me, but I made it my own. So here I boiled some water and I put on top of the leaves, because Lalo can have a weird taste sometimes. So I boiled the water so I can get that bitter taste out first before I actually cook it. This is not how my mom taught me. She taught me to do it a different way. But again, I like to make everything that I do my own. I like to put my own stamp on it. So I found a way to just make it simpler, and so this is how I do it. So please, if you make Lalo and you're like, oh, this is not how you make it, okay, that's not how you make it, but this is how Liz make it, and this is my channel. And if you're interested in how I make it, this is what it is. So after I get all the water in and I stir up the Lalo leaves, I'm going to drain that water before I actually start cooking it. Lalo is really not hard. So now I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my pan. This is the same pan I had cooked my oxtails in and browned them, so this is why you see that little residue of that, and I don't want to get rid of any of those flavors. So I'm going to add some Lalo at the bottom of the pan, and the reason why I'm doing that here is so my oxtails don't fall too much off the bone. They had already started falling off, and I did not want them to completely overcook. So I put the Lalo first and then I put the oxtails, and that's how my mama taught me to do it, and I like that method, so I kept it. I did not change that. I put my oxtails in, and I'm going to cover it with some more Lalo. Now I do feel like I could have put a little bit more Lalo at the bottom of the pan, so just to when you're doing yours, you want to add a little bit more than I did. Okay, that was on my bad. And another thing I want to address, I know Lalo, you usually put crabs in it. I'm not a fan of crabs, especially blue crabs. I know, but you're Haitian. Yes, I am, but I'm just not a fan of it. So that's why I did not add it to my recipe. But please, by all means, guys, if you want to add the blue crabs, it's the little blue ones that I believe the Haitians love. I don't like it. You can go ahead and this would be the time to add your crabs in so the meat don't get overcooked. Or you could wait till the last minute because it don't take crabs that long to cook. So you don't have to add it right now. You could wait after the lalo is finished cooking then to add your crabs. But like I said, I'm not a fan, so you will not see it in my recipe. So, you know, just before you come for my neck in the comment section, I just wanted you guys to know why there's no crabs in my lalo. So once I put all the lalo in there, I'm going to be putting the oxtail what is it called, the juice, the oxtails, yeah, that, the sauce. I'm going to add some of it. I'm not adding all of it. I'm just adding enough so the lalo can cook. I'm using a parchment paper to cover it up. Again, this is the same pan I cooked the oxtails in. I cover it and let it cook for 1 hour. 1 hour is what you want, maybe an hour, 10 minutes, no more than that. Lalo does take time to cook. Don't think it's like spinach where it takes like maybe 5 minutes it's done. No, lalo takes some time, so you have to give it that time to cook. Like I said, for me, I did about an hour, and then you see right now, like the meat has already fallen off the bone, and I kind of wanted some sturdiness to the meat. Like I want it to be a little bit firm, but yeah, it already fell off, and that's okay, that's fine. And I'm just stirring everything now, and I'm gonna add the rest of that oxtail liquid that I had on the side, and I'm adding that in. And now this is where you want to taste it to make sure that it has the flavors that you need, and that's why I'm adding some adobo, some Creole seasoning. I think I also added some seasoned salt and pepper flakes. I did not add a habanero like I normally would because my kids are not fans of spicy food that much, but I still wanted it to have some type of kick, so which is why I went and added some pepper flakes instead, and I did not add too much of that. I added just enough to get a kick out of it, and that's it. Lalo is very easy and it's a very tasty dish. We love lalo in my home. Even my kids, they love lalo, and that's pretty much the recipe. And I thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate you guys that has always been here, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.